Good morning. Oh, my hair looks wonderful.
Yeah.
We are headed to St. Ignace to get some hardware to hopefully finish this project or get close to. It was a wonderful stay at the Cedar Hotel yet again. Also had somebody recognize me as a YouTuber at the Islander Bar. I forgot to say that, but then it turns out it was not me, it was somebody else that goes around the islands and YouTubes. But close to a celebrity appearance, celebrity sighting in the wild. Nice out, a little bit windy, but not terrible.
Oh my god, that's incredible. And like it generates
Wow, that's gonna be hard to find those in 1/2 inch.
10-inch bolt. Yeah,
3/4 by 12. There's our big bolts. For the cradle or for the catwalk.
Yeah.
There's a big box right there.
1.5 inch. Okay.
You'll use those on job sites and stuff.
Oh yeah, I will eventually. It's an expensive trip.
Yes. Need something like this, but longer. 2-inch, but that would just barely get us in. Is there 3-inch? Nope, of course not. Okay, now let's take our guess for what we think our checkout amount will be. Here's our numbers of quantities if it helps. We'll cover the prices. That'll be.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so.
I'm not even sure where a ballpark
40,
is right now.
I know.
I almost want to throw a number out there. I want to say 400.
I was gonna say 389. What's the two? Closest two without going over?
Yep.
Okay, 389 and 400.
Well,
Here we go.
That's a kid on one.
Okay.
Some weight there.
Yeah.
Let's go and break these handles.
Paddle this countersimple. Wow. Okay, this could be the largest hardware purchase at Ace. Might have to call my banker, see if I can take out a small loan.
Hello. I might have mine on me. Yeah, hold on.
If we're not, today would probably be the day because we have $10,000 of hardware.
Yes, $357.23.
What you gonna be for 380?
389. No, you guess 400.
No bag.
Oh,
One.
closest. Oh, you guess one. Okay.
You rules.
Yep, closest to without going over. Oh, wouldn't you love to come off the barge?
He's sick.
That would be good footage.
Yeah.
You guys take care.
See ya, thank you. $400 in hardware. That's crazy. Do you want to grab some food before we?
We might as well. We're gonna be out there for a while today if you want to finish it.
Yep.
Wherever you want to go.
Here we are at Clyde's Drive-In, home of the Big C. This is actually a staple of St. Ignace. We'll bring you along.
Is that one patty or is it?
One patty until you tell me more. Thank you so much.
Moved by car.
Yes, have you already ordered that?
Yeah. There she is. We watched it made wrong, but that's okay.
2 heart attacks in the bag waiting for us.
I know. I want to sit here and eat, but better get moving. Oh, my stomach is burning hungry.
These are monsters. Holy shit.
Wow. Yep. Oh, wow. Yep.
That's intense.
Okay,
I will
get
remove
that
tomatoes
tomato
out.
off there. That was part of the order done wrong. We forgive them, though.
These are monsters. Ready?
Yes.
Wow.
Oh, is it still warm?
Voted best burger in Michigan, too.
Oh. Ooh. Oh, God. I wonder if there's any chance in hell that I would be able to have a bite. Probably not even worth it.
You want me to drive? I'm about done with this.
No, it's okay. Get on the boat.
Oh, we want a cold sea burger.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, we'll probably do the switcheroo. Then we can both.
Ah, you'll switch through, huh?
We'll switcheroo. Then we can both have diarrhea. Chinese fire drill.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, we can't say it anymore. That's racist. Asian American fire drill. Yes, that's not racist at all. If you don't have a napkin, you're fucked.
Well, yeah, you don't even realize until you use a napkin how much gets caught.
Mm-hmm.
Mustache.
Oh my god, that's good. Okay, we made it to the launch. Old Craig is on his way. We're loading up the hardware, bringing it over to the dock. We'll throw it on the boat and then back to work. Hello.
Alright. Good? Yeah. Alright, give us a push on. You got it.
All right, to the island. All right, back on the island. Plan of attack for today, excuse me, is to finish up the lift where the Chris Craft is and then move over to the lineman and repeat the process with the bunks, side guides, and catwalks. All right, let's see how it goes. Okay, we just pulled this boat off. Nate is adjusting the guides to where the customer decided he wanted them. We also put a board across the front of these catwalks for a little keel support to hold up the front keel at the bow of his boat, because sometimes they can sag if they're not supported properly. So anyways, it's getting there. Decking has to go on now and we should be good to go. A lot of trial and error with these wood boats. There's a lot to propping them up correctly and making sure that the bunks are supporting what they need to so you don't get the wood sagging at the bow or even the stern where your fuel is. At the rear of this boat there, that holds 50 gallons of fuel. Fuel's like 6 or 7 pounds a gallon. That's, you know, several thousand pounds right there. Or at least 1,000, I'm not sure. Hey, he's lifting her up. It looks good so far. Just got off the barge, headed in. Wood's not touching here.
Oh, it's not?
Nope. Is it touching over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Can the boat come my way at all, or are we sitting right where we want to be? Or do we want to move the wood?
Easier to move the boat.
Yeah. Yeah, that one is sitting there. What we have here is one of the panels taken out, and we're gonna have to hole saw a hole through it so that our guides can come up through the decking. So what Nate did, he's holding the camera now, but he marked and found center. We're gonna drill this hole, and if everything goes good, it should go right over where this side guide's gonna come through. Ready? Mm-hmm. Moment of truth. Oh my God, wow. You are the man. That is beautiful. Now pull down while I'm doing that. Oh, shit. Oh, that's it.
Right here.
Okay. Do it. Which one? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Okay, one panel in. Okay, forward we go. Screws going back in the decking. Okay, logo guide sleeve. Do we have to take the cap off?
Probably.
Oh, you can do it. It's kind of turning me on. Oh, it's really turning me on. Oh, how is it? Nice and tight?
Oh, yes.
Wow. Okay, so now you see what was once a theory has now come to fruition. Okay, left side fully done. All right, on to the opposite side. All right, last hole to drill on this side, then we put the guide in. Then this lift is clear. This house is clear. All right. Okay, we're gonna put the boat on, hopefully for the last time. Can you help tie me off over here? I think that could be good. Lowering the cradle. Man, that's a pretty setup. I think it's actually sitting level. Uh-oh, come back up, something's happening. The decking's coming out, we didn't screw it in. Whoops, stay tuned. We've got to set auto stop too. Check it out from this side. Yeah, I like it, Nate.
I think it's gonna fall into place just
Towards
fine.
you a little bit. I don't think we were quite that far back, but as long as
This is where he wanted it.
he wants it, okay.
Yeah.
This was the easiest yet.
Yes. A lot of back and forth.
I hope you guys are planning on being up here, right?
Hey, I'm starting to like it up here, actually. We're becoming very good friends with the locals.
Yeah, well, typically bartenders.
Okay, we're not on this board, so we got to come further forward.
Okay,
Stop for a second.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you gotta go forward.
Actually, one.
I think somewhere in there, yeah.
Okay.
And come to your left just a little. There, yeah. Maybe right a little. Yeah, I think it's good. It's touching, I think. Can you see that, Craig?
Yeah, it's not touching.
Not touching? Okay. I can't see it enough. It's just, yeah, I think it's got to come.
Back down or what?
What's it look like on the other side? I think it's got to come forward a little more where it starts to come up. Yeah, once you get them to the correct length, then you're good to go. It's touching that board up there at the full rear.
This front board's touching now.
Yeah. I wonder if it was like floating a little bit or something.
What about that side? This board's definitely touching now.
Yeah. No, this board's not touching at all. All right, it's getting dark and we've got to pull the lineman back in. But we've got the new bunks on and the frames for the Portuguese catwalks mounted. I think that's going to be it. We'll be back out tomorrow to finish the side guides and decking. Good?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, let that cradle down.
Yeah, hold on a second.
Okay, this is where we ended for the day. We've got the Chris Craft is all done. Everything's set. The lineman is lifted and the catwalks are on. We just need to put decking on them, the side guides, and set the auto stop on both these lifts. We are headed back to shore and then to the hotel room. See you soon. So we'll meet you at the launch like 8:15. We'll be here at 8:15 though, but we'll still give you a ring so you know.
We'll give you a call on the way, but we'll be here at 8:15. All right.
Thanks guys.
Have a
Thanks for
good
the
night.
food. Okay, made her to the dock. Now time to go to the hotel and figure out a plan for the evening. It was a good day. All right, it's time to bed down. It's me and Nate and some Sunday football. Lions have a bye. Good night. Ugh.